Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Green color, pink color, olive color, purple color, lime color, brown color, yellow color, gray color, dark blue color, violet color, black color, red color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for avocado. B for bus. C for candy. D for dog. E for egg. F for fruits. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ink. J for juice. K for king. L for lotus. M for mango. N for nose. O for oxygen. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for ring. S for star. T for tiger. U for university. V for vanilla. W for wax. X for Xerox. Y for yum. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.